It's not a credit card, maxing it out. Now biting you in your ass. More accountability can't be taught, not my fault. Power in the wrong hands has always destroyed the land. Go inside for the answers. The rules of engagement will bring you down to your knees in them. Do unto others as you would like done to you. You already know why